Zamboanga del Norte. Hi, David Manny. Hello. One of my members. Shout out to David Manny. Hi, you guys. Please join like David Manny, one of my member to my channel. Please show one time guys. No, it's not. No, it's okay if you don't subscribe. You want to show, you can go to Patreon. Not here. Hi to my 175 viewers. Hello guys. May samok at mercy. You're busy. Okay. Busy mom. Doggy position again. No. Hi Martin Hubertus. You're from? Ano na mismo sa akin? Mismo yung ano mo. Yung girlfriend mo. Huwag ka to. Sayang yung relationship yung dalawa. Masisira lang. Sa walang kwenta. Julius Smith. Hi, Julius Smith. Hello, shout out. Catwoman. Martin Hubertus, you are from? Shout out to you. Kilig na yan, oh. Wala. Ganito lang talaga ako pag nagla-live. Ito, shout out ko yung mga ano. Peter Telford, glad I found your channel. It's almost 1 AM here. I will contact you. Thank you. Okay. Sige, contact me on my messenger. And then, I only live for 30 minutes, guys, ha? What's this? Open your dress. Ito talagang mga itik, mga bastos. Good morning, Ansel. Please message, be a good message to, because I will hide you in my channel if bad message. Kain tayo ng kanina ko Nagba. Ayaw ng anak ko nito. Welcome to baka ka pa mag-request. Mag-member ka. Remember ka bago kang mag-request. Kasi yung mga member ko hindi nga nag-request. Yes. Kaon pero limit. Sorry guys, I go for toilet. Kamsak Don Killers my vlog. Oh wow. Isa to ang gusto.